Every conversation you have with Gemini gets saved to your Google account by default. And here's the part most people miss. Even after you switch it off, Google holds on to them for another 72 hours. There's one setting that stops the saving, and I'll show you exactly where it hides. Start by opening the Gemini app. In the top left corner, you'll see two lines. Tap those to open the menu. Then tap your profile picture down in the bottom left. From there, tap Gemini Apps Activity. That takes you to a page titled Gemini Apps Activity, where you'll find a box called Keep Activity with a blue button that reads On. Now you've got two ways to go here, and the order matters, so stick with me. If you're not ready to switch saving off entirely, start with the gentler option. On that same page, tap Deleting Activity Older Than, choose Auto Delete Activity Older Than, tap the drop-down icon, and pick your window, 3, 18, or 36 months. Tap Next and follow the other steps to confirm. Gemini keeps saving, but anything past your limit clears itself out automatically. One important catch: this option only works while saving is still switched on, so if you're going to use it before the next step. Ready to shut saving off for good? Tap that blue On button and a menu drops down with two choices. Turn Off stops Gemini saving anything new. Turn Off and Delete Activity does that and wipes everything you've already said. Pick that one for a clean slate. Google then walks you through a quick two-step confirmation, a screen explaining what turning off does, where you tap Next, then a final screen listing what's about to be deleted, where you tap Delete. You'll see Deletion Complete, and that's it. Saving is off and your history is gone. Now, here is the Genie tip. Before you walk away thinking you're fully clear, read Google's own fine print on that confirmation screen. Even with the setting off, your chats are still saved for 72 hours, so Google can, in their words, respond to you, process your feedback, and protect Google, its users, and the public. And here's the sharper detail. Any past chats already reviewed by Google's people don't get deleted at all. They're kept disconnected from your account for up to 3 years. So off doesn't mean gone. It means a 3-day fuse on the recent stuff and a 3-year tail on anything already seen. That's it. That's how to stop Gemini from saving your conversations. If this helped, subscribe. I drop these every week. See you in the next one.